I'm Henry, a solar engineer with 10 years of experience. Today, I'm in the Philippines to survey a 400 kilowatts on-grid solar system for a plywood factory. Before going up, I always check the roof access and safety measures. A stable path and strong structure are essential. The first thing I do on the roof is measure the usable area and mark any obstacles like vents or air ducts. These details affect panel layout and sunlight exposure. This factory uses a metal roof, so I'll choose a clamp-type mounting structure. It avoids drilling holes and protects against leaks. I record the roof orientation and tilt angle. The panels will face south with a 10-degree tilt, the best setup for this region's sunlight. I also check the roof's load capacity and wind exposure. With proper anchoring and aluminum frames, the system can stay stable for over 25 years. Now it's time to inspect the electrical room where our inverters and grid connection will be located. Here's the main distribution board. I confirm the available space, the breaker capacity, and the voltage. It's a 400 volts 3-phase system, perfect for our setup. From the rooftop to this point, I plan a clean, safe cable route. Shorter paths mean less power loss and easier maintenance. After today's survey, we'll design the detailed layout and grid tie plan. Every project starts with a good site survey. It's the foundation of reliable solar energy. This is Henry from Mars Solar, delivering professional solar solutions worldwide.